Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to manage email notifications in BoldSign. Email notifications are automated messages sent through email to keep users informed about the status of eSignature requests. They provide updates about changes in the document status such as viewing, signing, revoking documents, and many more. Users can customize these notification settings to specify the status updates they want to receive as the sender, CC recipient, and signer. Email notification management helps keep users informed, improves efficiency, and enhances accountability. Let me show you how to manage email notifications. I first log into my BoldSign account and click the Settings option. I then select my profile, which displays my profile page. From here, I navigate to the Notifications page, which shows a list of all the notifications. Some options are enabled by default, but you can choose to disable them or continue using them as they are. The notifications are further divided into 4 sections: Sender, Recipient, CC, and Template notifications. In the Sender notifications section, all available notifications are intended to inform the user of any action taken on the document they sent out for signature. This depends on the enabled notification options. On the other hand, when the user is in the recipient's role, they will only receive notifications based on the options enabled in the recipient's notification section. When the user is added as a CC recipient to a document, they will receive notifications based on the options enabled in the CC notification section. In the template notification section, users can specify to be notified when a template is shared, when a shared template is deleted, or when its access permission is changed. They can select all or only specific options required for the templates. Only the account holder can enable and disable notification options. This applies to documents they send for signing, receive, or in which they are included as CC recipients. I enable all the options in the Sender, Recipient, and Template notification sections. In the CC notification section, I only enable 4 options. I then save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Now I will be informed about the eSignature request based on the notification options I enabled. This is all about how to manage email notifications in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.